Want to stay fit but don't have time for the gym? The good news is, you can get a full workout right at home. In today's video, I'll share the best exercises you can do without any equipment to stay healthy, active, and strong. Welcome to Health Bridge, your guide to simple and effective health and fitness tips. Staying fit at home doesn't need expensive machines or fancy gear, just your body weight and consistency. Let's go through some of the best home exercises that work for everyone. Let's start with jumping jacks. A perfect warm-up exercise that increases heart rate, improves circulation, and gets your body ready to burn calories. Next, push-ups. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups and slowly progress. Now, squats. One of the best moves to tone your legs and glutes while also improving flexibility. Make sure to keep your back straight and knees aligned. Fourth is the plank. This is a powerful core exercise that strengthens your abs, back, and posture. Start with 20 seconds and increase the time gradually. Finally, lunges. Great for balance, coordination, and leg strength. Step forward with one leg, bend both knees at 90 degrees, and return. So the best home workout includes jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, planks, and lunges. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference to your fitness and energy levels. You don't need a gym to stay fit. All you need is dedication and these simple exercises. Try them today and start your fitness journey from home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HealthBridge for more fitness and health tips.